C-17 uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from control sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls and each other. If there are any problems, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backup. On final, its speed is approximately 120 miles per hour. Operational C-17 to Charleston Air Force Base in June of 1993. Now the crew will demonstrate a very short landing distance of the C-17, using only about 1,500 feet of runway. Limited to very few aircraft. The ability to routinely back up under its own power. Ground maneuverability is extremely important when space is limited or offload operation on a day-to-day basis.